Same.
Oh, the same pear tree.
So sasa hii na ile tofauti.
We're going to get some pears from our neighbor. Look at that, they're all yellow. Wait. Zinamwaribikia mpaka anatoka chini.
I'm back with him. He's taller. He can pick them up.
So like really good.
Good wine.
Good wine. For how many days do you ferment it?
Maybe few months.
A few months.
Yeah.
Wow. So it must make some really good wine.
Oh, I'm too short.
Oh, you can extend it. All right. So, for more harvest, let's try this. A pear, American pear. That. So. Oh my! Ooh wee! Jesus Christ! That is sweet. Good Lord. So these are sweet, really sweet pears compared to the ones in Kenya. And they're all ripe and yellow. Just look at that in the tree. They're even falling down. These ones are overripe. Simu. Hizo zimeanza hasara. Ndabeba tu. That is what I call a pear harvest. Look at that. All those fruits. Oh, we're going to enjoy this. So nice and juicy. Man.